visit Sitio Litre Orchid Garden, a garden of tropical and subtropical plants and flowers, which has vast collection of orchids.
Orchids in Sitio Litre. Oh,
Yeah, it's a colonial villa.
which has an enormous subtropical garden of 4,000 square meters. Governed by British, was built in 1730. Good. And Agatha Christie and Charles Piazzi Smith, astronomer, were there. Father of Oscar Wilde was there. Very nice.
And this garden has the oldest and largest Drago tree, or dragon tree, in Puerto de la Cruz.
Oh, lovely. Oh, sweet.
Large pond, koi pond, with water lilies.
Okay. Oh. Banana. Oh.
Yeah.
Is that it?
It's the oldest garden in Tenerife, over 220 years old.
Huh?
The origin of the Canary banana is in Sitio Litre.
1778. Agatha Christie and Tenerife.
So this section is dedicated to Agatha Christie.
Mysterious Mr. Queen. Oh!
Oh, that's Agatha Christie. And the mysterious Mr. Queen.
Agatha Christie.
Let's see the sculpture here.
Alexander von Humboldt.
Alexander von Humboldt. So this garden is located inside the garden of a private mansion. That's back from 1730. And the house was a former convent as well. And look at some of the orchid collection here.
Which one do you like? Oh, those
Dendrobium.
Oh, let's get
And some more here. This is Sitio Litre with main dragon tree in the foreground. So this is the oldest and largest dragon tree in Puerto de la Cruz. This is the Orchid Cafe inside the Sitio Litre. naturalist and painter outline.
Marian? No.
Mariana.
Hastings. Oh.
This garden dedicated. This area.
Uh-huh.
Area.
Oh, okay.
Oh, ada Royal Botanical Garden. Oh, look at this.
Uh-huh. It's like
Bougainvillea
no
plants.
flowers though.
Keep it wild.
Oh, wow, look at this. Quite a lot.
And let me show you the branches and roots.
Oh, here they look quite
Bougainvillea plants.
a lot.
Oh, very huge
Oh,
tree. The
very
trunk of the
big.
tree. What is the tree name?
Cherokee roses with the volcano in the background. Oh no, that is just a picture. So you can see.
Strelitzia.
Oh, it's lovely, isn't it?
Put your face there.
Oh,
Koi fish. Hello.
hello. Okay.